Joint pain can have a significantly negative effect on the quality of life and is a common condition in older people, athletes, and weightlifters. While physical therapy, yoga, and stretching can reduce the chances of developing joint pain, many people would be surprised to learn that your diet can influence your joint health for the better. We will explore what causes joint pain and explain how making some changes to your diet might improve symptoms or even prevent them from developing. What causes pain in the joints anyway? In many cases, it can be linked to an injury, major or minor, that occurred earlier in life. Other times, it is simply a temporary sore. If it is chronic in nature, it could be linked to some form of arthritis. Obesity can also be a contributing factor. Inflammation is a common denominator in many of these conditions associated with joint pain, so foods with anti-inflammatory properties are an excellent place to start. 1. Cherries. While cherries are sweet and delicious, these little fruits are probably not the first thing that comes to mind when people think of joint health. Fresh cherries, like many other berries, contain a type of compound called anthocyanins, which have anti-inflammatory properties. How do you know if the berries you are looking at are rich in anthocyanins? It's all about the color. Dark berries have higher levels of anthocyanins, so in addition to cherries, blackberries and blueberries are also good options. Pomegranates, while not technically berries, are also a great choice. 2. Turmeric. This fine yellow gold powder is made from the ground-up root of the same name. It is a key ingredient in curry and many other dishes in Indian cuisine and contains a secret ingredient with powerful anti-inflammatory effects called curcumin. Some studies have found curcumin to be as effective as ibuprofen for relieving joint pain. 3. Salmon and other fatty fishes. Why salmon? It's because it is packed full of super healthy omega-3 fats which are well known for reducing inflammation. This fish is also a great source of vitamin D and calcium. These two nutrients work together in a complementary way to strengthen bones and joints. 4. Olive oil. This is included here for much of the same reasons as fish has healthy fats that fight inflammation. Extra virgin olive oil works best. Make sure you are buying the oil in a dark bottle and that you store it properly.